Good morning, class. Good morning. What a lovely day, isn't it? I'm Mrs. Olson, your substitute teacher today. Today in culinary arts class, we're going to make some delightful Rice Krispie treats. Doesn't that sound delicious? Ooh, they're going to be so good. First thing we need to do is we will take our marshmallows. You take your what the? April Fool's Day? You think this is funny, children? Go to the office, go! What? There's nobody in the office? I'm supposed to be teaching math? Oh my, oh my. Okay, everybody, here we go. We have to talk about math today. No Rice Krispie treats for you. Okay, everybody, here we go. You better stop this video if you didn't do page number 3 of your test yet. Because I'm going to give you the answers. Stop right now. Go back. Do it. Otherwise, you're cheating if you just copy down my answers. That doesn't make you smarter. All right, everybody, here we go. Let's review these 3 questions you guys had to do yesterday. All right. Number 10 says, your friend's house is 9 miles south and 12 miles west. Well, then how far away is your friend's house? Sounds to me like we're going to create a triangle, and we need to find that hypotenuse. When I draw a quick doodle of that picture, we might say 9 miles south, 12 miles west, or east. We need to find out what is the value for C. Okay, well that's Pythagorean's theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. If A is a 9 and B is a 12, I'm still trying to find that C. 9 squared is 81, 12 squared is 144. Hey, wait a second, you know what I just recognized? 9 and 12 are both multiples of 3. If I was to divide both of these guys by 3, I would get a 3 and a 4. That kind of looks like that 3, 4, 5 triangle, doesn't it, everybody? That might be a shortcut. Well, let's keep going here just in case. 81 plus 144 is 225. To find that value of C, we got to square root both sides. These guys cancel. Therefore, the square root of 225 is 15. Hey, times 3, then 5 times 3 is the 15. That friend's house is 15 miles away, everybody. 15 miles. I hope you saw that shortcut, although you didn't have to use it. All right, moving right along. Let's take a look at number 11 here, everybody. We have 2 triangles. Once again, you're giving me the 2 legs, but you're giving me neither leg, but you're giving me the hypotenuse. This is kind of like a 2-stepper here, isn't it, everybody? Let's find this hypotenuse of this triangle. That'll be the leg for the other triangle. Then I can find this value for x. All right. Poetry says a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A could be 12, b could be 16, and of course, I'm trying to determine that c value right there. Once again, trusty calculator, well, 12 squared I know is 144, just to be sure. 16 times 16 is 256. Add those 2 guys together, and I get 400. All right, square root of both sides says C has to be equal to 20, doesn't everybody? Isn't 20 times 20 400? So that means this value of C is really a 20. Why don't you come in a little closer, take a closer look, everybody. All right, well, now I'm going to do my second Pythagorean's theorem problem here. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. If A is 20, and I don't know what b is, let's call it x for now, and my c is 25. All right, I know 20 squared is 400. We just figured that out. 25 squared, is that 625? Let's be sure, take no chances. Yes, it is, it's 625. To isolate that variable x, I'm going to now subtract 400 from both sides. These guys cancel. That should give me 225. That sounds a little familiar to me. Take the square root of both sides, everybody. We're going to find our value for x. 225 square root is 15. X has to be 15 for that number 11. All right, everybody, let's take a little slide over here. Let's now take a look at number 12. Number 12 says, find the distance between -7, 0 and 2,
comma 4. So here's that right triangle of ours. And we're trying to find this distance right here, aren't we, everybody? Well, I know that a -7 plus a 2, distance, -7, which is really a 7, and a 2 should equal 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I know to go from a 0 to a 4, well, that's got to be a 4. Looking like Pythagorean's theorem once again, everybody. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. 9 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. 81 plus 16 equals c squared. What's that? A 97 equals c squared? Square root of both sides says that c is equal to the square root of 97. Trusty calculator, help me. What is the square root of 97? I'm going to round it and say 9.8, everybody. About 9.8. Hope you can all see that. One last little peek. And then let's talk about today. You guys got the last page of your test today. Oh, and it's a doozy. You get ready. Homework today, everybody. Let's finish off this test. Chapter 9 test, you got to do page 4 of 4. Yes, you can use a calculator. Yes, you can. Let me tell you real quick, everybody. It looks like it's only 2 problems. What? Only 2 problems? That's how hard they're going to be. No, they're not that bad. Don't be scared. All right. What else to say? You can do it. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Thank you.